In this video, we'll be looking at how to use systems of equations to model and solve scenarios from word problems. The problem says, the school that Deshaun goes to is selling tickets to a choral performance. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 6 senior citizen tickets and 5 child tickets for a total of $109. The school took in $67 on the second day by selling 5 senior citizen tickets and 2 child tickets. Find the price of senior citizen tickets and the price of a child ticket. So if we were to model a scenario and we let S equal the number of senior citizen tickets and let C equal the number of child tickets, now if I read back, the first piece of information that we're given that's essential is that it says that they sold 6 senior citizen tickets and 5 child tickets for a total of $109. So if I match this as my first equation, I have 6 senior citizen tickets is going to go with my S. So I can write this as 6S plus, if I continue reading, the 5 child tickets, and I'm going to use C for a child, so plus 5C equals our total of 109, so equals 109. Similarly, for the second equation, I now can say that if I read, it says that the school took in $67 on the second day by selling 5 senior citizen tickets and 2 child tickets. So I have, first looking at my senior citizens, I have 5 senior citizen tickets with my S again, so 5S plus my 2 child tickets going with the C again, so plus 2C equals the total of 67. Now we have 2 equations and we can solve in whatever method you want. For the purposes of this problem, it would probably be easiest if we use elimination. So if I want to solve using elimination, I have to make it so that one of the variables will cancel out. So if I choose to make the s's cancel out, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by negative 6. So if I multiply my first equation, I multiply the 5 times 6s, gives me 30s. 5 times 5c gives me plus 25c. And 5 times 109 gives me a total of 545. For the second equation, I multiply the negative 6 times the negative 5s, which is negative 30s, the negative 6 times the negative 2, which is minus 12c, and the negative 6 times the 67, which gives me a value of negative 402. Now if I solve, I would add straight down. So if I add these straight down, the 30s minus 30s cancels. 25 minus 12 gives you a value of 13c equals 545 minus 402 gives you a value of 143. To finish solving, the opposite of multiplying 13 times c is dividing. So I divide both sides by 13 to get that c is the value of 11. Now to finish solving, I have to substitute my value of 11 back into one of the original equations. So if I choose to substitute this 11 into this c in the first equation, my original equation was 6s plus 5c equals 109. So I'm substituting in for this c. So I would have 6s plus 5 times 11 equals 109. And if I continue solving, that would give us 6s plus 55 equals 109. Subtract 55. Which gives you that 6s equals 54. And you divide both sides by 6 to get that s equals 9. So our final answer is that a child ticket equals $11 and a senior ticket equals $9.